Alright guys, welcome back. Just get my clothes on here. It's cold. It's 20 degrees. So definitely gotta ditch the Crocs, put on the boots. Alright Crocs, I know I would like to bring you along, but we can't today. I think that's it. That's all we need. I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. We are out here in the midst of darkness. This light is freaking blinding me, so I'm trying to hurry up and talk. But anyways, we are here for some walleyes. Now I came to this location because I feel like it's the right wind direction, right? It's 5 to 7 miles per hour. The wind is pushing the bait fish toward the shore, so I'll be fishing this like harder shoreline and hopefully we get bit. So that being said, enough talking. You guys already know what time it is. It's walleye time. Stay tuned. I got one. I got a big one on. Got a big one on, dude. I think it's a big one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's a very nice walleye. Holy cow, dude. Back hook, stay on. Dude, oh my gosh, huge. Wow. Oh, dude, you guys see that? Oh my gosh. It's nice, dude. Hell yeah. He crushed it. Oh my gosh. That's a nice fish. I gotta turn it down so you guys can see. That's a beautiful fish. Wow. Wow, guys, check this out. 5 minutes in only. Crushed it on the Jinko Jerkbait. Look at that. It's all foamed up. I'm gonna hurry up and let it go. It's too big to keep, so. Check this out, guys. That is a beautiful slob fish. Nice little SA23. Fatty right there. Holy smoke. Alright, catch and release on the phone. I just caught this absolute beaut right here. See you, buddy. Dude, not even like 5 minutes in, first 2 casts. That's cool. Let's do it again. Got him. Got him. It's another nice one. That's a nice one, dude. Wow, that's a quality fish. It's not bigger than the other one, but it's fat. Thick girl. Holy smoke. Chill, relax. Chill. That's a fatty. Man, I want to keep this one. That's a beautiful fish. Right there, guys. Just like that. That is a nice fish, dude. That's a good eater right there. I'm debating if I want to keep it, but I don't think I am. I'm gonna let him go. I don't feel like keeping fish today for some reason. Could if I want to, but my love for these fish during this time it's different, you know. So maybe next time on that Jinko Jerkbait. You guys already know. And that's a beautiful fish right there. Quality, nice and fat. So we're gonna let him go. Good eater. Oh, Jace, relax. Relax. All right. Another one going back. See ya. Well, I was right, guys. Just staying on where the wind is pushing on the hard structure here. It worked. 2 fish in like 30 minutes. That's good. Check my line, make sure it's not frayed. We're good to go. Alright, so far so good. 2 fish already. So what I'm doing is I'm just twitching it. I'm not necessarily like jerking it down like this because it's so shallow. I'm just twitching it like I would for a fluke. And I'm just dead sticking the jerkbait in the air. Oh, I got another one. Oh my gosh. Just as soon as I was talking to you guys. That's a big one too. Dude, what? That's a nice fish. Oh my god, it's pulling. It's pulling really hard. I hope it's not a pike. Oh my gosh. I hope it's not a pike. I was just talking to you guys. Dude, we're on. Oh gosh. Alright, what is this? Let's see here. Oh, that's another nice one, man. Oh my gosh. That's a nice walleye. Goodness, that's a beauty. Back hook. Back hook. That's a really nice one. Oh my gosh. Stay on, stay on, stay on. This one is thick, dude. There you go. Dude, that's a nice one. Oh my goodness. That one's thick. She's thick, dude. Chill, chill, chill. Oh gosh. Dude, that's a thick fish. Gotta get him by the gill. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Dude, no way. Back-to-back cast. Whoa, look at this. Look at that fish. On the Genco jerkbait right there. Look how big it is. That's a nice 24 solid, dude. There we go. It's not hooked that bad. Oh my god, look at that fish. That is what I call a beautiful walleye. Like I said, I would keep them, but no, not like this. My love for them is just too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it go. Wow, that's crazy. Beautiful fish. Just another absolute beaut. 24, maybe 25 inches. Catch and release. I don't want to fall in here. Water's cold. There he goes. Go, go, no, wrong way. It came back into the rocks. It's okay, it's gonna go. He'll find his way back out. Unfreaking believable. Just on this Genco jerkbait, this purple threadfin. My favorite, all-time favorite Genco jerkbait. Wow, just wow. Alright, so this is my Okuma DTR 7-foot medium light Okuma Samar HD, the new one. I'm using 10-pound fluoro with 15-pound braid. Just casting it out there, twitching it up in the air. You guys saw me talking, and that big one just clobbered it. So let's do it again. Stay tuned. Unbelievable, guys. I was just explaining to you guys what I was doing, and I got smoked by that nice one. That was cool. Yeah, like I said, I'm twitching it up like I'm working a fluke, you know, like a plastic, because it's so shallow. I would say it's only like 4 feet of water out there with some weeds. I'm imitating a dead bait fish. So right now I'm twitching about like a foot of water. They're just coming up and snatching it from the weeds, from the eelgrass. It seems to be working. We're catching them. I got 3 already. I'm happy. So hopefully you get one bigger one. Got him. Smacked it, dude. It's another nice one. That's another nice one. Oh my gosh. Dude, why are they pulling so hard today? Gosh, look at his eyes. You guys can see it. Oh, dude, it's another nice one. Oh my god, this one's big too. Look at that. It's okay if it comes on hook. I'm happy. Dude, no way. What the heck? That's another nice fish. Guys. Okuma setup with my Genco jerkbait right there. That's another nice 23, 22 incher. Look at that. That's crazy. Unbelievable fish. Look at the mouth, their teeth and their eyes. It's absolutely amazing. All right, look at that. It's a beautiful fish. Going back. See it. My theory was correct. Standing by the wind, came in clutch. Holy cow. Just dust sticking it too. Twitch, twitch, pause. That's it. Got him. A small little tick, dude. Super small tick. I got him. That's another nice one. No dinks yet, guys. No dink fest. Wow, dude, look at that. Skinnier guy, but still. Whoa. Man, I would have cleaned the house already. Would have went home if I was keeping any, but I'm not, so non-stop. See ya. Got him. That's a nice one. I think it's a nice one. Nope, it's just another, I mean, it's still nice. Still keeper size. Man. Sheesh. I'm really debating if I want to keep them. No, it's alright. I already threw too much back to say I want to keep them. Let's just keep the streak going, eh? This one hit it so hard. This fish right here hit it so hard, dude. Like, yanked it out of my hand. It's a beautiful fish. Yeah. Catch and release. Catch and release. Goodness. Try to get that point over there, see if they can hang out over there, you know. The sky's turning red. That's a sign. It's either gonna make you or break you, man. I tell people that all the time. Your morning bite, it'll make you or break you. That's it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh. Oh my gosh, this guy's tugging. It's a nice one. Oh, dude, it's a nice one. That's a freaking giant, dude. I mean, not giant, but big. Dude, let's go. Oh my gosh. Whoa, jeez, almost fell in the water. Dude, that's a fatty. Wow. Sheesh. Look at that thing. Relax, relax, relax. Just chill. Dude, let's go. Oh my gosh. That's a freaking fatty right there. Oh my goodness. On the jerkbait. Turn my gloves off. I don't want it to get wet. Absolute freaking crushed it, guys. Look at that. Let me make sure the GoPro's running. That is a nice, again, another 23-24. Thick girl, man. Holy cow. Unfreaking believable. Woo! What a day, guys. What a morning. What a night to the morning. Oh my gosh. On that Genco jerkbait. And wow, dude, look at this thing. Alright. Catch and release. Holy smoke, that's a nice fish. Just caught an absolute tank. Wow. Catch and release right here. There she goes. See ya. Yes, dude. That was so cool. Oh my gosh, someone felt so good. Got him. Just kissed it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It's just another 17-incher. Yep. See ya. Another nice one. All of these fish. Got him. We got another one. Oh my gosh, dude. That one hit is so hard. I felt that one. It's a nice one. Oh yeah. It's another nice fish. There you go. That's a quality fish right there. Yep, middle hook and back hook, as I anticipated. Oh gosh. Oh, that's a quality fish. No, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Dude, wow. That's crazy. There you go. It's another nice fish. Oh my gosh, absolutely amazing. Like, how do you say no to this? It's so beautiful. Wow. Alright, catch and release. Guys, what an unbelievable 1 hour window. Wow, just amazing. Look how fat it is. See ya, girl. Unfreaking believable, like hour and 30 minutes. That was cool. Fun times, caught a lot of fish, and just twitching that lure like a foot or two, just forcing those fish to come out from those grass to grab them. It was just so cool to just feel that tug. It's like that twitch pause and they just grab it. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun. I have to come back out here. It's so addicting. With that being said, stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.